Hi, my name's Steve and I work for Nortec. Recently on LinkedIn I asked my friends and colleagues to kind of share the main issues that they face in their business or that they face in their kind of work-based lives. And one of the things which came up was all to do with, I guess, concern to do with the market and the oil price and the challenges which we face in UK iron and steel. But actually on top of that, the way that you then diversify and move your business forward through challenging times is a big issue that affects almost everyone in the UK. So no matter what your business does, it could be a PR company, it could be a law firm, it could be an engineering firm like ourselves, business strategy is a key issue and something which I think is never underestimated, but actually the ability to do it well and to achieve the entrance to new markets and sectors is something that I think we should share the lessons on, and really it can make or break a business, especially in kind of tough times. So in oil and gas for ourselves, obviously it was a pretty tough year that I think everyone knows kind of what's happened. But one of the things which really kind of helped diversify and save our business and help us kind of thrive in the current market is all to do with how we've really grown our non-oil and gas business. So that's across different energy sectors. Waste to energy is a big one, biomass. But actually part of the reason we've been able to do that is that we like to sit and listen to our customers, sit and listen to our clients, but actually look at our core skill set of who we are, what we do, and how we can apply that to new markets. But likewise, we also accept that we don't know everything. So I've spent a lot of the last few weeks really going out to speak to some of the UK's top companies across a range of sectors, and that includes everyone from digital to rail, automotive, and subsea, other parts of the oil and gas business which don't really reflect on what we do ourselves. And actually one of the key learnings is that everyone is almost in this boat together. So I think that nobody should ever be afraid to openly discuss the challenges that they face, the ways that they see move forward, kind of share their own strategies with friendly kind of companies who are in a similar boat, but actually kind of take best practice from each of the sectors. So a key story which I'll share, which was from a digital event on Tuesday, and it was actually to do with a company who they have a warehousing business, and they asked the very prestigious panel, should they update to a new kind of, I think it's an Amazon based system to go digital. And actually something when they kind of spoke through and worked through the problem, it came out that actually this business's core niche was actually the fact that they still operate in the traditional methods, and actually their clients like that. So their clients like the fact that they can pick up the phone, speak to their main kind of key contact, and things just happen. That when, I guess, you have to find your niche in the market. It could also be that you have your own specialism, and it's how you adapt and change. I read an article earlier on, it was from Chris McDonald from Tata Steel, former Tata Steel. He's now the chief executive of the Materials Processing Institute, and he was discussing how for UK iron and steel, although we struggle to compete on the bulk mass market against China, there will always be a niche for small, nimble, reactive companies who are very good at what they do, and actually it's how you learn to adapt and change is something that we see as a key thing to our kind of business strategy. Other things which I'd like to share, one is that especially when you have a core skill set within your business, so it could be very good project managers, engineers, procurement, whatever the skill might be, if you can look at what other sectors use those skills, you've almost then done half the battle to really kind of look at who you are, what you do, and how you can apply that to new areas. But likewise, I think one lesson I learned when we expanded to the Middle East from my boss, Brian Bunn, was that when you're looking to enter a new market, you should always do the two-step rule. So step one would be the diversification of your core business into a new geography, or it could be the development of a new service into your existing kind of marketplace. That would be one step. Two steps would be actually the development of a new product or service and trying to implement that in a new market. It could be the Middle East, it could be China. And actually, if you go for a two-step approach, it's almost impossible. It's certainly exponentially harder to actually launch your new product or service in that market, as well when you're looking at your business strategy for how you break into a new sector. Definitely try and go the one-step approach. Take your core business and maybe look to make that next step to apply the same skills into a new sector or into a new geography, but trying to do both is actually very difficult. And finally, actually, it comes back to the point on the warehousing business, is that something I've been very keen to do is really sit down with our customers, our clients, that no matter what you do or what you plan, unless your client is happy, it's never going to work. So I've spent a lot of time listening to kind of what we're good at, what we're bad at, what could we do better. Is there something in the market that you always wanted but it doesn't exist? And I think that no matter what you do, if you spend a lot of time and give your clients a bit of love, care and attention, I think that will always help drive your future business strategy and take you forward. So I would love to hear what LinkedIn thinks. I would love to hear what your business has done. I think that it's a very challenging market at the moment, but definitely for key sectors in automotive, rail, digital, there's a lot of lessons that we can share. There's a lot that we can share with those guys, but likewise, there's a lot that we can learn from other people. So I think openness is a very important thing, and LinkedIn, please tell me what you think. Okay, my name's Steve, and I hope you comment below. Thanks a lot. Bye.